In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Wise payment link. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, let's jump right in. Wise is a fantastic platform that allows you to transfer money across borders easily and efficiently. One of its great features is the ability to create payment links, which can be incredibly useful for freelancers, small business owners, or anyone needing to request payments quickly. So let's get started with our step-by-step guide. First off, the very first thing you'll want to do is log into your Wise account. If you already have an account set up, go ahead and visit the Wise homepage. Once you're there, simply enter your login credentials, your email and password to access your account. Okay, this brings us to our next step. After you've logged in, take a look at the dashboard that appears. You should see a menu that gives you various options. What you need to do now is click on the Home button. It's usually located on the top left of the screen. Clicking this will refresh your view and ensure that you're in the right place to start creating your payment link. Next, let's look for your profile icon. You'll find this in the top right corner of the page. Click on it, and this will take you deeper into your account settings where you can access personal account information and settings relevant to your usage of Wise. Now here's an exciting part. You need to click on your handle, which will appear as your Wise username. It looks something like this, @your-username. Clicking on this will navigate you to a section that is specifically dedicated to your profile details. This keeps everything organized and helps you manage your account. Once you're in your profile section, it's time to create that payment link. On this page, you'll see an option to copy your link. Look for Copy Link on the screen, and when you find it, go ahead and click on that as well. This will generate a unique payment link that you can share with anyone who needs to pay you. It's as simple as that. Now, I want to emphasize a couple of key details. When you copy this link, it's really crucial to check that you send it to the right person. It's a good idea to confirm the recipient's information to avoid any mix-up. Plus, you can also customize your message or include specific details about what the payment is for when you share it, giving your clients or friends more context. Once you have your payment link, sharing it is easy. You can paste it into an email, a text message, or even through social media. This way, anyone you are working with can make a payment with just one click. That's it. You've successfully created a Wise payment link. The process is quick, and it saves you a lot of hassle when collecting payments. Just make sure to keep your login credentials safe and share your payment link only with trusted partners. Thanks for watching. I hope this step-by-step guide has made creating a Wise payment link much simpler for you. Don't forget, if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more helpful content. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to drop a comment below. Happy banking!